Tracy is great for different kinds of tasks. For example, you are interviewing and working with candidates. Let's set up a dataset to store the information you need about each candidate. You can choose from over 20 different property types like text, number, image, file, color tags, rating, and more. Now you can add your first candidate. Let's add a few more for practice. To find the information you need, use the detailed filter. Tables are good for viewing data, but managing interviews is easier with a Kanban board, and planning is better with a calendar or Gantt chart. It's also helpful to check team workload and how candidates are distributed among specialists. You also can use funnel, map, image gallery, and more. You can control who on your team has access to the data and when for each property separately. For instance, you can let managers view information about candidates on probation without letting them change it. Or you can hide certain properties or entire stages from them. You can use this same flexibility for your projects, tasks, applications, orders, clients, and more.